You're certainly aware that competition between dental practices is at an all-time high. And what you may not know is that it's going to even get worse. More dental school grads, more corporate dental practices, and more cost shifting by insurance companies to your patients is going to continue to erode your patient base. Now, fortunately, there is something you can do that will not only stop the erosion, but actually grow your practice. I'll be back after the break to tell you about my first book of 2018. Stay tuned. I'm Colin, receiver. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. The U.S. economy looked really good through 2016 and 17. Now, that doesn't mean a correction isn't coming. Obviously, it is. History teaches us that every boom is followed by a contraction. But for now, business people in the U.S. are feeling very optimistic. The thing about economic growth is that it puts more competitors on the playing field. The growth in competition can outpace the growth in demand, leaving every business struggling for enough customers. Dental practices aren't immune to this problem. Now, barring something like a well-funded universal dental care, there's only so many potential dental prospects in any given market. If you're getting paid less for each patient, you'll need more of them to make money. Okay, enough gloom and doom. I want to talk about how you can thrive in this amazing economy we're in right now. I'm coming out with my new book, Rise Up. And when you read this book, you'll learn how to take the high ground in your market. The high ground comes with a lot of advantages, not the least of which is that you'll make a lot more money. You'll be able to expand your patient base, even in the face of this increased competition. Not to mention, making dental insurance pretty much irrelevant to your success. You'll get a wealth of knowledge from the SmartBox experts to help make your practice marketing a new patient delivery machine. The book will be available later this month. I'll give you ordering information in a later podcast. Now, you might be wondering why I'm putting out this book when my previous book, The Four Horsemen, just came out last year. The answer is that not all dental practices are the same. And that's not just in terms of the services they offer. They also differ in the competitive landscape in the markets. Some practices dominate because they have relatively little competition. Some are successful because they have a great marketing approach and provide a superior patient experience. If your practice is successful and you want it to become even more so, my new book is for you. What I describe in Rise Up is a strategy that even successful and dominant practices can use to grow even more, no matter why or how big they already are. Practices that aren't as successful and they want to be can use this information to safeguard their patient base and continue growing. The economy is moving into a grow or perish state of competition. Don't let the ground erode from under your dental practice. Follow the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'll tell you how to get your copy very soon. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.